In this video, we're going to discuss one type of quadratic word problems where you're asked to set up an equation or solve for missing lengths in a right triangle using a multiple choice question from the Spring 2013 Algebra 1 sample materials. The length of the shortest side of a right triangle is 8 inches. The lengths of the other two sides are represented by consecutive odd integers. Which equation could be used to find the lengths of the other two sides of the triangle? So the first thing you always want to do is draw a picture. So here is going to be our right triangle. And what do we know about the right triangle? The shortest side of the right triangle is 8 inches. So this side is going to be 8 inches. And the lengths of the other two sides are consecutive odd integers. So one side is going to be x, and the other side is going to be x plus 2, because let's say x would be 5, then x plus 1 would be 6, which is even, and x plus 2 would be 7, which is odd. So those are the other two sides of the equation. Now you need to know to use the Pythagorean theorem. You don't need to memorize the Pythagorean theorem because it's on the reference sheet that you'll get with your Regent. However, you need to know that you are supposed to use it in this context. The Pythagorean theorem is used when you have a right triangle and you want to find missing sides of the right triangle. The Pythagorean theorem is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. A and b are both legs of the right triangle. It doesn't matter which is which. And c is the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is always the side of the right triangle that's opposite the right angle. So in this case, it would be that side. So what do we know? Let's plug in what we know. We know that one leg, doesn't matter which leg is A and which leg is B, we know that one leg is going to be 8. So let's say A is 8. So a squared plus the other leg, which is x, plus b squared, x squared, is equal to the hypotenuse squared, which is x plus 2 squared. And we're not asked to actually solve this equation for x, we're just asked to set it up. And the answer to this question is choice 4. Because we could have written x squared plus 8 squared is equal to x plus 2 squared. The order of these two terms doesn't matter.